What's the word, David D? I'm here, man. What y'all on, man? Wait till a few more people get up in here. Share this everywhere, baby. Share this everywhere. We got 9 viewers already. We turn it up, man. I'm out of town right now, y'all. So y'all gotta bear with me on the setup. You know, making plays, making moves, but still, man, making that crypto money, baby. Crypto money, man. We out here. All right, where was I? Hold on, y'all. I'm about to come on very soon. 1 second. It's crazy out here, man. Pepe got him mad. Pepe got all the people in the meme coins mad right now, man. What is up, man? What is going on in crypto? I ain't go live in a long time. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Taker, what exchange platform is PEPE? We gonna talk about it. 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 We gonna talk about what's going on with PEPE. Me personally, I don't got any PEPE. I'm BNB, man. I got PEPE BNB. Y'all know I don't mess with no I don't mess with no what's that called? I don't mess with no Ethereum degen plays, man. The fees just too much, you know what I'm saying? We coming from the poorhouse, you know what I'm saying? We in the poorhouse, so we don't mess with them we don't mess with that. Hold on, he said what's going on with the PEPE. What's the word, y'all, man? What's up? He said, what markets is it on? I think you got to do a Ethereum swap on Uniswap. Uh-oh, they listed on Huobi, Gate.io, CoinX, MEXC. You feel me? These boys been putting in work, man. The tribalism got to stop in crypto, man. The tribalism got to stop in crypto, man. It has to stop, man. It literally has to stop. We got to stop thinking like, oh, it's just like one crypto, all or nothing. You know, that's how you get wrecked. You feel me? Of course they gonna want you to do that because it's gonna only make them richer. You know what I'm saying? But come on, man. We gotta stop doing that. What's going on with all these meme coins? It seems like people don't even care about altcoins. Yo, it seems like people not even caring about altcoins right now. People like, man, we ain't got time for altcoins. We try to make money right now. Everybody try to make money off these memes. It's hilarious, yo. It's hilarious to see like crypto in shambles right now. Everybody running to memes and stuff like that. I got a whole bunch of memes, to be honest with y'all. Y'all gotta join the Patreon. I can't talk about them on the main channel though. I can't talk about them on the main channel. I'm out of town, y'all, so I'm doing a quick little live because I wanted to talk to the family and see how y'all doing, man. So I ain't got the setup like how I want it, so bear with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna have to go with my my NFT right there. Shout out to the NFT. Shout out to the 18 people that's in here. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. All right, so let's talk about the PEPE meme craze, man. Because I seen a tweet from my boy Pablo. Shout out to my boy Pablo. You know, it's all love. Hey, you know, it was a very tribalistic tweet. You know what I'm saying? Actually, let's see if I can actually find it. And I was a little disappointed because Pablo, that's my guy. You know what I'm saying? I rock with Pablo. You feel me? But he was okay, here we go. He says, if you ever made money or promoted Sheep, Doge, Floki, Vote, or any dog token and support this sugar honey iced tea, we ain't friends no more. You're a leech with no integrity and it will backfire. I promise you that, and enjoy it while it lasts. I mean, this was unbelievable because at one point, a lot of people was hating off Vote and the run up for Vote. You know, Vote went crazy. You know what I'm saying, family? Vote went crazy, and a lot of Sheeb and all these other people was calling Vote a scam. And you know, Vote had to really make a name for itself. Vote had to literally earn the respect of cryptocurrency, and you know, Vote went out there and they earned that respect. And now it's the same thing that's happening with PEPE. You know what I'm saying? From the marketing to the memes. You know what I mean? And I guess, you know, a lot of people with inside the dog coins, they didn't take this lightly. You know what I'm saying? Me, you know, memes is memes, man. Memes is going to always be memes. It don't matter if it's a dog meme, anime meme, with the Millie meme. You know, memes is going to be memes. There's always going to be opportunities for memes. So I know a lot of people was asking me what's the best PEPE tokens. You know, Millie is a super DJ out this joint. You know what I'm saying? Well, I've been doing some couple trades, so I'm in, what's this? PEPE BNB. You know what I'm saying? We got a little money in PEPE BNB. We got a little money in Pepito. That's supposed to be the son of PEPE. So we got a little money in Pepito, PEPE Inu, and all this. But what I'm looking for, because I seen an interesting tweet from my boy B Roots, Moon King, right? And he was saying, like, you know, right now the next wave of meme coins will be the anime memes. So my question to y'all is, you know, what are the best anime memes, man? Show some inside the comment box. Like I said, this is a random live. I really don't have anything set up for you guys. I was just in the midst of trading, and I was like, you know, let me just go live and let the family know what I'm out here doing. But yeah, we gotta stop with the tribalism in cryptocurrency, man. There's a lot of money out here for everybody. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of bags out here for everybody. But I'm seeing everybody try to get into, like, it's funny. So what's happening is a lot of people is losing patience with the cryptocurrency cycle, the accumulation cycle. Like, so many people are losing patience to the fact that where they're like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy meme coins. I'm going to create my own currencies. Look at what's the guy named Levi, Crypto King. He's coming out with Blaze tokens. So now you got YouTubers and influencers saying, hey man, I can't take this no more. You know what I'm saying? I got to create my own cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, man, a lot of people is tired of being in a broke house. They ready to make money. Bitcoin playing games, Ethereum playing games. You know what I'm saying? How long we been at the bottom, at the floors? We've been here for like almost 2-3 years. You feel me? So I can understand the unrest inside the cryptocurrency space, but to me, it's funny as hell. It's funny as hell to see, you know, these meme coins and these meme coin communities start to go at each other. You know what I'm saying? In fact, I had somebody come in my comments, right? Family, they came in my comments, right? And it was like, Millie, woo woo woo. I used to follow your channel, but now you're like a crypto video vixen. And I was thinking, like, damn, bro, am I supposed to just stay inside one crypto? What y'all want me to talk about? Y'all want me to talk about Elon all day? What the fuck? Hell nah. I can't sit here. Excuse my language. You know, I know how YouTube is. I can't sit here and just shill y'all stuff if it's nothing given to me to shill, right? You know what I mean? What type of YouTuber you think I am? You know what I'm saying? I'm working on giving you guys value. I can't give you value if I got to repeat myself 100 times. You know what I'm saying? So it's just been a tough for a lot of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Let's get into some of these comments here. Jayhawk says they mad because they missed the low market cap. Yeah, man, it's crazy, Jay. I don't know what's going on in the cryptocurrency, why everybody want to start fighting at each other. Let's get to some of these comments. Tyra, what do you do? I got my administrators in the building. Tanker with exchanges on PEPE. Yeah, PEPE. I called it PEPE. Crypto Meow says, what's up? What it do? Appreciate your vids, man. I dropped $40 in PEPE. Took my money out of Pleb. I felt more of a rug pull when I put $50 in it, but it looked like, yeah, man, you got to be safe with these meme coins. Like I said, man, that's why y'all guys got to join the Patreon. Y'all got to stop playing, man. I can't do super Degen stuff on my official YouTube page because a lot of people, they actually buy. I figured this out. Like, if I say something that's like super small cap, micro cap, people buy it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not trying to get nobody wrecked. So I do a lot of that super Degen stuff in the meme coin. If you're part of the Patreon, you probably already know I've been going crazy with a lot of these videos. But let's do this on a live. So I got an open trade on PEPE BNB. All right, I got an open trade on PEPE BNB. Y'all can see I've been doing some trading here. We just entered here as the stock RSI is resetting again. So what I was saying on the Patreon is I always ape into meme coins when I see the stock RSI resetting on the 1 hour, 4 hour, or the daily. Okay, you know, I'm not buying when everything is overbought. I like to buy when everything is oversold, and that's why you put yourself in a position. This is another trade that I'm in. I'm in Whales Club. So as you can see, Whales Club is literally going parabolic. I now have to raise up my my goddamn Fibonacci. But you can see here, man, we got into Whales Club like 6 months ago, and I had a moon bag sitting on Whales Club. But the thing that kind of like that always caught my attention with Whales Club was the fact that it had Luna's community attention. So a lot of people, a lot of whales that's part of Luna, Terra Luna Classic, they've been aping into Whales Club. We got like we've been going crazy. I already made a 2x on Whales Club. I took profits. I got a moon bag. I re-added to Whales Club right here at the 0.5. So what I'm doing, family, is I'm working the Fibonacci and I'm just taking profits. We're in an accumulation cycle, in a bear cycle. I'm not sitting here holding none of these tokens. If you're part of the Patreon, you already know what I'm talking about. But what I'm doing is I'm working the Fibonacci here. I'm working the 0.5. I'm working the 382s. And what I'm doing is is I'm putting myself in a position to just snipe 2x's. I'm sniping 2x's off the meme coin craze. We are in a meme coin craze, so you gotta pretty much understand where we're at. Usually they say when we're in a meme coin craze, family, that signals the top, and that's why you're seeing a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of people struggling with their Bitcoin trades, because, you know, this could possibly be the top. A lot of people are calling this 2019 for Bitcoin, which would confirm a relief rally. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it easy with my short-term bag. I do have a long-term HODL bag, which consists of stuff like Arbitron, Hedera, Quant, ELON, what's the other one? Goddamn Jasmy, and crypto.com. That's kind of like the top 5 in my blue chip portfolio type stuff, and I haven't been really touching that. You know, I know I entered the Arbitron trade about 120, and we've actually been doing pretty good with that trade, but you know, well, now it's 134, but this thing was at one point like almost $1.80, so we made a little bit of profits for Arbitron. But for me, this is a long-term play because I know it could easily 10x. It's the biggest layer 2, it's the most popular layer 2, it's the one with the biggest ecosystem, and they're actually compatible with Ethereum, unlike Polygon. A lot of developers right now are leaving Polygon because everybody's been waiting for the what's that, the EVM and all that stuff to roll out. So even though they say Polygon is a layer 2, technically, you know, experts will tell you that it's not a layer 2, and that's why you're seeing a lot of the Polygon developers actually leave. So I'm currently having fun in the cryptocurrency space. I'm not you know, I'm not here attached to any cryptocurrency, but I'm seeing that throughout the entire space. I'm seeing people like getting little cat fights, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just ridiculous, man. I mean, you got to start holding these developers accountable, family. I mean, you just gonna sit there and hold the bag while the developers ride around in Lambos, or you gonna start holding these guys accountable? You let me know. You know what I mean? You let me know. Let me know if I'm saying something wrong. Elon said, let's go PEPE. We got a lot of the PEPEs in the house. We got a lot of the PEPEs in the house. Shout out. Bullish E Money says, I got a bag of PEPE thinking about pleb. Y'all some freaking degens. I'm gonna ball out on Bone. Hey, speaking of that, speaking of Bone, good play. All right, so if you were if you want some consistency, right? Because I'm gonna be honest with you, some of this PEPE shit is gonna be here today and gone tomorrow, okay? But projects like Bone, right? What you want to do is you want to pay attention to these projects that got 100% of the circulating supply in circulation compared to the max supply. To me, Bone under $1 is literally a steal. Like, I know we're waiting on Shibarium. I get it. We're waiting on Shiba, Shibarium, and all the craze about Shiba Inu. But if you wanted to fade Shiba because of the high market cap, to me, Bone would be the play. Especially because Bone is the utility token for Shibarium, meaning it's being used for gas fees, etc., etc. So when I seen Bone dip under $1, I'm like, yeah. Speaking of Bone, that's one of my long-term plays. Again, I believe Bone, Arbitron, stuff like that, easy 10x, easy 20x. You feel me? I wouldn't be too crazy with it because I know a lot of the YouTubers, they get on here and be like, oh, 100x, 1000x. I'm guilty for it too as well, family. But at the end of the day, when you check my videos, I kind of deliver that value behind how it could possibly 100x and how it could possibly 1000x. But we got a lot of utility tokens that I actually have on my watch list that I actually been invested in it. But family, I took profits heading into this pain for a lot of my utility tokens and been shifting them into meme coins. I mean, I'm just be honest with you. This is right now, we got to follow the narrative. And if you're a degen like myself and you have a degen bag, then you know how to pretty much play this out. None of this stuff is freaking long term. I'm gonna just be completely honest with you guys, but there are opportunities. And if you're opportunist, cryptocurrency will always bless you for opportunities. That's why I don't understand why people get so wrapped up into holding these bags, man, because like, think about it. When the bull cycle comes around, when the bull run comes back around, right? When the bull run comes back around, there's going to be cryptocurrencies that are released in the bull cycle. And you'll be able to, and this is going to sound crazy, but you can go do the research for yourself. The most money is made, family, from the meme, not from the meme coins. The most money is made from the new cryptocurrencies that spawn and get minted inside the next bull cycle. So in the next bull cycle, what you want to do is you want to be prepared for the new cryptocurrency projects that's going to take a lot of that liquidity. You know, I know you get kind of like, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? I know a lot of people get I can't think of the word that I'm looking for, but you know, they get blinded here by these cryptocurrencies that's been here for a while, right? But you gotta understand that there will be new opportunities when the next bull cycle comes around. Now, I don't know when the next bull cycle will come around. I have no freaking clue. But what I do know is that when I talk to experts in the cryptocurrency space that's been in this space for a while, a lot of their money was made on new cryptocurrencies that spawned in the midst of the bull cycle. So timing is everything. Timing is either going to be your best friend in crypto, or time is going to be your worst enemy in crypto. Only two things is going to happen. And this is why timing can be your worst enemy in crypto, because the more that you hold cryptocurrencies, if you're in a position where you don't have a consistent income, the more that you put selling pressure on yourself whenever something may come up, whether it be a responsibility, whether it be a bill, whether it be a car note. Literally right now, people are losing their cars. Like the repos are licking their chops right now because repos are at a all-time high. The credit and debt is at a all-time high, and we could be pushed into a recession. So right now, what you're seeing in the cryptocurrency is whales running around in shambles trying to make money. So please do not be exit liquidity. Do not be exit liquidity. Play it smart, have patience, stick to your plan. Don't change your strategy for nobody, not even me. You feel me? Stick to your plan, because people who don't plan to fail. If you got a plan and you got a understanding of how you're gonna 100x your portfolio, or 1000x your or 50x or whatever, stick to your plan. Okay, that's the best advice I can give you. Stick to your plan. All right, don't let none of this craze kind of like throw you off from your strategy. Stick to your plan, because it's so, and I'm talking to myself first and foremost, because it was so many times where I'd be like, you know, I'm hopping out of this crypto and hopping in the next crypto, right? And as soon as you hop out of that crypto, what do you do? Pump. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Let's get into some of these comments, man. Salute to everybody that's in the chat. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, baby. Let me get in some of these comments right here. Talk to the fam. See what y'all talking about, man. Let me know what y'all on. Look at OXT. What is OXT? I don't think I ever checked that. I missed PEPE, but I got some more bone on the dip the other day. No one can win them all. You can't win them all, Tyra. I got a bag of PEPE thinking about pleb. I think there is one more final drop before. I do too, crypto meow. I do too. I think pleb will be the next. What is pleb? What the fuck? This is what I'm talking about. What the hell is pleb? What is pleb? Please tell me what pleb is. Sheesh. Y'all some motherfucking DJs up in this joint. God dang, man. My God. See, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. You gotta look. Let me tell you the difference between Ethereum and BNB. Ethereum is for the rich folks. Ethereum is for the Ethereum is like the mansions. You feel me? Ethereum is like, you know what I'm saying. That's the you know what I'm saying, that's Greenwich, Connecticut. Ethereum is Hollywood. You feel me? BNB is the hood. You know what I'm saying? BNB is where we kick it like the bobos. We don't gotta really spend too much on the fees. You feel me? BNB is for the hood stars. You feel me? But Ethereum is Hollywood. You feel me? And if you making moves on Ethereum, you gotta understand, when you go into these projects on Ethereum, you gotta let it run a little bit. But the one thing I noticed about Ethereum, and I will say this about meme coins and plays on Ethereum, people hold longer on Ethereum because they understand the gas fees. See, when you understand cryptocurrency and you understand the mentality of it, you kind of like get a good feel of it. And that's what I'm learning. I'm learning, like, you know, you can shop in BNB, which is great value. You know what I'm saying? You can buy the Walmart brand, or you can go to the Gucci store. You feel me? And that's what Ethereum is. Ethereum is the Gucci store. You feel me? You get high class stuff. And that's why a lot of people in Ethereum make a little bit more money, I would say, because people hold those cryptos a little bit longer because of the Ethereum gas fee. So there is a positive to being a super degen and doing degen shit on Ethereum. But with BNB, it's like the hood. You feel me? You got to get in and out, because BNB is not really any fees with the super degen play. So you can hit a 2x, 5x, but you got to take your profits, because if you don't, then you'll be exit liquidity and somebody will front run you. So that's why I'm noticing a lot of the you know what I'm saying, the goats in the industry, they do their degen shit on Ethereum because it's like, it's more Hollywood. Hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying. Hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying. This pleb token look interesting, man. I see Gary Gensler got a token. God dang. What's another one? Chad coin, all this shit. We going crazy right now. Hit that like and subscribe button, baby. We going crazy. Get into some of these comments right here. Talk to the chat. But yeah, well, what y'all think? What y'all think, man? Ethereum or BNB? What do y'all do y'all super degen stuff on the most? Do you do your super degen stuff on Ethereum or do you do it on BNB? Flood the chat. Flood the chat. I moved into small positions on Jasmine. Welcome to the Jasmine community, Tyra. What do you think about ARB Doge AI? I'm bullish on ARB dog coins. I like them. I got more bone at 86 cents. Yes, sir, David D. Also, I'm gonna need the real Elon to make a few drunk comments on Elon just to get a boost. I don't know what's going on with that, man. The Elon developers are actually shit. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Like, I don't know how they can watch everything that's going in the crypto space and be like, we'll just sit back. I think it gotta be because of crypto regulation, and that's why they're not doxxed. But I don't know, man. You know, I don't like their marketing. I just don't. They got to get it together. Got my picks locked up on not an exchange, waiting for the bull run. Got my picks locked up. Hey, that's good, Justin B. Not your keys, not your crypto, man. You gotta move it to that wallet in that storage, man. Just don't have your wallet in storage around your neck. That was the weirdest idea I ever seen. Just found out about your channel. Good content. What's your opinion on Render? Hey, man, I told you guys, if you miss Render, check out Octaspace, baby. So yeah, I'm bullish on Render because of the metaverse and how the utility works for Render token. Like, I'm very, very bullish on Render token. But Render token is sitting at a $616 million market cap. So if you wanted to fade Render and you was interested in the same type of narrative, I got another one for you called Octaspace right here, which is down 17% of the day, so a lot of opportunity, okay? The market cap is around 5 million. Y'all know I'm a degen, but Octaspace does very, very similar narrative as Render. Render is, of course, the more solid project, but if you wanted to fade Render and you wanted to something that was a little bit smaller market cap that could give you more potential, Octaspace is kind of like that next in line to Render. Same narrative, different projects. They both do different things, but very, very, very similar narratives. But I'm bullish on Render for sure. I just looked up pleb. I just looked it up. I've been learning Etherscan, how to read contract, track wallets. Yeah, David D, you got to do that. You right about ETH. I'm like, damn, I have to use it for my old wallet for majority of my tokens. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man. Like, ETH is Hollywood. BNB is the hood. You feel me? BNB is the hood. You're going to run into a whole lot more fucking scammers on BNB. But there is money to be made. ETH is Hollywood. You feel me? People understand how Ethereum fees work, so they're willing to hold a little bit longer to get a 10x, 50x, or 100x. So, you know, you got to weigh out your risk to reward. If you're a person that don't really got it and you like, man, and you're here shorter type of attention span type of person, you know what I'm saying? Then BNB, it probably would be your choice. But if you understand how ETH work, ETH gas fees, and how to take profits, and you wanted to really do some super degen stuff and make a 50 or 100x, I think ETH is the way to go. I think ETH meme coins give you a bigger window of opportunity because of the gas fees. The gas fees are bad, but they're good because people won't be so quick to sell, and that's why I like ETH meme coins. But you know, for me personally, my situation, I do a lot of super degen stuff also on the BNB chain. Crypto says, I just used Coinbase. I was in XLM in 2018. I bought 200K coins at 10 cents, sold it when it dropped to 6 cents, then dipped to 4 cents before it went back to 80 cents in the bull run. Yeah, man, you never want to sell at the floors. Man, I learned my lessons too. Dude, you should look up pleb. I looked it up, baby. I held it for the longest time and it just kept bleeding. What's your opinion on OXT? Let's check out OXT for the fam. One time for the fam. OXT, baby. Orchard. Let's see what's going on with OXT. OXT sitting at 7 cents. All right. 962 in circulation. Max supply unlimited. Really don't like that type of stuff. Market cap is 76 million. Fully diluted market cap is 79 million. Not much dilution there. Let's check out the markets. Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. They got some tier 1 exchanges. I love to see that liquidity. I want to also check out the Etherscan. holders are rising. That's always a positive thing, family. You want crypto communities that's growing. Checking a look at the Ether scan here. Binance. Look. This that same Binance wallet now. That look, people be like, oh man, that's not a Binance wallet buying Elon. Shit me. This the same Binance wallet that been loading up on Elon, sitting here loading up on OXT. But y'all gonna sit here and tell me that ain't a Binance wallet. Please stop. Please stop. We got 10% in one wallet. I would have to know what this is, whether it's like used for the community or marketing or etc. etc. A lot of wallets over 1%. So, you know, you got to be careful with cryptocurrencies when you have multiple wallets over 1%. You know, I've noticed that the best cryptocurrencies are ones that the top wallets have less than 2%, around 1%. And those are the ones that usually give you the best opportunity as far as gains. But what's the utility for this project here? Let's see what they got going on. OXT utility. What is it? What is OXT? Orchid is the EVM layer 2 payment solution and bandwidth marketplace that aims to provide the building blocks for better, freer internet. All right. Any partnerships? A decentralized marketplace. Orchid is a platform that enables an onion routing network incentivized by OXT and multi-hop VPN client. I would have to do some more research here on the utility, family. Is the team doxed? Orchid VPN. Okay, they got their own VPN. They got staking. So, okay, so they got some utility in their layer 2. Maybe they can complement Ethereum. They got their own little podcast. All right, I would have to do some research on this project. It's looking pretty good from a surface, but I would have to do more research. I like to check out the median. I like to see what they're working on. I like to really get down and dirty with my research. Of course, I can't do it on the live, but yeah, OXT looks like a pretty good project from the surface. I would have to do more research. It's only a $76 million market cap, so a lot of growth right here. I also want to know how far it is from the lows to the highs for the year. So family, what I like to do is I like to check out the low to the high just to make sure that I am in a position to make. Okay, yeah, the yearly low is 6 cents. Okay, so it's not like it already pumped. Oh, it's been around since 2020. It never had its relief rally yet. A lot of cryptocurrencies you'll see in like the 3 months they've had relief rallies. This one hasn't had a relief rally yet, so this is definitely something I would put on my watch list. I'm seeing a double bottom here, which is a very bullish pattern. They pull it up on TradingView here and see what we got for the daily. All right, here for the daily. We got some support here at 7 cents. The lows is 6 cents. So I like cryptocurrencies that's very close to the lows. But the thing is, you got to ask yourself, family, why is this cryptocurrency still close to the low? And why did it not have a relief rally pump? This cryptocurrency didn't have a relief rally pump, which is alarming for a cryptocurrency that has a pretty good utility. You know, when you go to 3 months, you know, there was no pump here. You know, that's the only red flag I would say. It doesn't have a lot of open interest. You want cryptocurrencies, family, that's the strongest ones inside the market. This cryptocurrency really doesn't have a lot of open interest. A good website to check out, family, for open interest is Coinalyze. I don't know if I shared that with you guys. I love this website. Let's see if I can find it. Coinalyze. I know I'm spelling that wrong. Coinalyze. Here we go. So this is one of my favorite cryptocurrency tools right here, family. It really gives me an idea of what's the strongest cryptocurrencies in the market. And as you can see right here, when you go to Coinalyze right now, these cryptocurrencies are pretty much accumulating the most open interest. So right now, these are the cryptocurrencies that people are most interested in. You always want to make sure that you're buying the strongest cryptocurrencies even on the dip. So me personally, I'm not seeing a lot of open interest with OXT, so it's not something that I would probably be interested in. Crypto Mealysis with the $4.99. Appreciate that. It has 1 billion fixed supply with no inflation and possible deflation. Thank you for looking at my coin. I just subscribed. Appreciate that, Crypto Mealysis. Love it. VPN. Crypto Seth, what it do? What it do? Crypto Seth in the building. Shout out to my boy Crypto Seth. I think Elon developers are waiting closer to the bull run to make some noise. Hey, possibly, man. But y'all been look, Khalil. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all been saying that for a while. Everybody's been saying, oh, the developers are waiting until everything gets more bullish. I can't continue to hear that because Bitcoin went from 15K to 31K. There's no excuse to roll out something in the midst of a 2x from Bitcoin. If you look at what Bitcoin did compared to what Elon did and the other meme coins like Baby Doge, Floki, even Volt, I mean, it's night and day. So we gotta hold ourselves accountable. I'm not messing with those ETH fees either. I'll pass. Tyra, I get it. You know what I'm saying? You know, like my boy Vision said, we trying to get out the poorhouse, baby. So you got to make some moves on BNB. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, ETH is Hollywood, BNB is the hood. But it's worth it because ETH, I'm going to be honest with you guys, like ETH meme coins are way more, it's like gold and silver, right? Like BNB got meme coins that they run, but because of the fees, people take profits instantly. A lot of broke boys on BNB, but ETH is like, you know, you riding around in a, you know, high-end community and you in a cul-de-sac and every house is worth $1 million. That's Ethereum. You feel me? BNB is like, you know what I'm saying? $100,000, $100,000. It ain't the same. It ain't the same. What up, bro? You bullish on Deso? Let's check out Deso. This is a Q&A, so you guys can pretty much drop any cryptocurrency. I'll check it out as long as it's not no freaking scam. I don't want to look at scams. I'm not interested in your scam. He said Deso. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about Deso. $13.58. Circulating supply is 82% of max supply. So I'm really loving these tokenomics from a surface look. Very rare supply, similar to Bitcoin, Quant, and even CheckDot. We seen what CheckDot can do. And this is the thing, family. Let me give y'all an example. Y'all see what decentralized social is sitting at. Now check this out. This is why I'm so bullish on freaking CheckDot, right? This is why I'm so bullish on CheckDot. And CheckDot just did a pullback, baby. Just did a pullback. CheckDot just did a pullback, right? 31 cents. That's why I like it. Hopefully it dropped to 20 cents. Look at this. CheckDot has 10 million max supply tokens, right? And then look at this. Deso has 10 million max supply tokens, but Deso is sitting at $13. Could you imagine CheckDot, which is 31 cents, at $13, family? I don't understand why you would even begin to fade a cryptocurrency like CheckDot. And remember, I was telling y'all about these 3 months run. If you're into a cryptocurrency and it didn't do this in the last 3 months, I probably wouldn't buy it because it has no open interest or no strength. You want cryptocurrencies that was able to 5x, 10x, even in a crypto winter, because that's giving you an example. That's giving you a little taste of what it could possibly do in a confirmed bull run. But this is amazing, man. But let me get back to Deso. I just want to give y'all an example of tokenomics. Market cap 120 million. The fully diluted market cap is 146, so not much dilution there. The volume is up 43%. Is this thing on some markets? I'm not seeing any decentralized exchanges. Ooh, it's on Coinbase. Ooh, I would be very bullish on projects that's already listed on Coinbase, because they wouldn't list anything that Coinbase doesn't list projects that have any type of smell like a security. So that's good. Deso, I believe, also already has done a 2x. So the lows was $5.25. All right, the lows was $5.25. All right, you see a lot of strength here in the last 3 months. So definitely has some type of open interest. All right, what's the utility here? But before we actually go into the utility, I want to check out the website and see what they got going on here. It's time to reimagine the world of social. Okay. Is that it? I don't like that. That kind of like, yeah, that website right there was kind of, yeah, I don't know what's going on with that website. I'm not going to check out that website. It keeps freezing when I go to the website. I don't like that. Let's go to the Twitter, see if I can see some stuff in the Twitter here. Yeah, the website kind of janky. It's like freezing. And let me. I don't like that. Okay, DSO, the first and only censorship resistance layer -1 blockchain built from the ground up to power storage heavy apps and decentralized social networks for mass adoption. All right, so I would have to do a little. I am following this project, so I must have looked at it before. I have to do a little bit more research on DSO. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about it. I have seen a lot of YouTubers talk about DSO. Why do you like DSO, man? This is one of the projects I haven't done a lot of research on. From the surface, it looks pretty good. I like the tokenomics. We know this project can probably hit what, $100. It is already sitting at $120 million market cap, but you got to ask yourself, is this thing worth $1 billion? Is this project, just based off the utility, worth $1 billion? Right? They don't got a median. What's the white paper looking like? Yo, I pick up so much information from white papers, y'all just don't know. Decentralized empowering the internet, the creator-led, user open to millions of developers around the world to build off each other. I'm gonna take my time and look over DSO. If it's something I like, I'll bring it to the channel. But I you know, it's one of those utilities where you gotta actually do your research, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, we try to keep this thing about meme coins. That's what this live stream was specifically about, meme coins. But I'll check out some utility tokens as well. Y'all know I love utility tokens. And also, if you want to know what utility tokens I'm buying, go check out them links when I drop them. All right. Let's get into some more of these comments over here. Y'all going crazy. Y'all going crazy in the comments. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Is there any upcoming Shibarium tokens that catch your attention? No. I like Paul Swap, but I don't know if that is a Shibarium token. What's your thought about Squid Grow? I don't have any thoughts on Squid Grow. It has a strong community, but it be pump and dumpish. Like it's cool. ELON, what is that? I've been seeing that. People been asking me about that because I covered it. Because I cover so many meme coins, and people been like, or Dogelon Mars, should I say? People been like, go check out ELON. I know I ain't been. Oh, right here, Zenlon Mars. What the fuck? What am I looking at? Zenlon Mars, $270 million market cap. What is this? Zenlon Mars. New project, minted here 4.8. So this is extremely new. I seen somebody talking about this. Who did I see talking about this? I think it was Joe Perry's talk about this on his show. What the fuck is this? Zenlon Mars, the first ever fair launch meme coin. Burn DXN to mint X Elon. X Elon. So it's another Elon meme coin. For those who haven't noticed yet, this is clearly a parody tweet. If you're reading this, see what they got going on. Zenlon, for each DB Zen tokens burned, you receive 100 million Zenlon tokens. How does this work? Is this similar to like Zen? Is this a spin-off from Zen? Does this cryptocurrency have anything to do with Zen? That's definitely interesting. Zenlon. Let's check out the wallets. 2,500 holders, still early. %. Wallets is not that bad. Let's check out the markets. I think this is a meme coin. I have no clue what it does. Oh yeah, so this is one of Ethereum's meme coins. You can get this thing on Uniswap V3 and V2. No listings yet. So if you're in this right now before listings, you are truly early. Salute to you, man. First movers advantage. We love to see that. Hey, your cryptocurrency is going crazy right now because people are hella impatient. Let me see what some of my memes is doing. All right, not more action on Pepito. BNB. We still, oh man, this thing is going to pump. You see this, family? Y'all got to understand, like this right here. That's why it's so important that you learn technical analysis, man. This right here, I love it. This right here, I love it. I love to see the stock RSI reset. I only buy, so I'll probably add to my bag here, just because I'm seeing the stock RSI reset. Very, very bullish on these PEPE tokens. Just trying to make it a little quick. And yes, we are still bullish here for Whales Club. So if you missed Whales Club, this thing just deleted to 0. A lot of people in the Terra Luna Classic whales are in this token. And yeah, for 6 months, because I've been watching this token for 6 months. It didn't do shit for 6 months, y'all. Like, it didn't do anything. You see that? Like, it didn't do nothing for 6 months. But it's been on my watch list. And then out of nowhere, it just pumps, because that's what whales do. Whales got tired of waiting on Terra Luna Classic. They jump in the next big community token that's part of Terra Luna Classic, because a lot of Terra Luna Classic members are invested into Whales Club. I mean, we making money on Whales Club, you know. And again, these are high risk plays, family. These are super degen plays. Please don't copy my trades. Please go to the Patreon and you'll see that how I explain of what I'm doing. Don't copy these trades, because then you will be exit liquidity. And I have no remorse for anybody that's exit liquidity. Just use the strategy and find your own cryptocurrencies. Now, I don't mind people getting in, but when you get in, wait for the correction. You see this? You see how so let me give you an example. I loaded my bag down here, took profits right here. I noticed this on the 5-minute and 15-minute chart, because on these PEPE tokens, I mean, you can just trade 15 minutes unless you plan on holding these things for long term. But I'm gonna tell you, these new narrative meme coins, very high risk if you plan on holding long term. But you see this wick, extremely bullish. Wick under the 0.5, you never sell to retest. People sell right here because they get scared. This is what whales do. They wick you down to the 618 from the 0.5 and send it. Everybody sold right here. We re-entered at the 618, and now we're sending. So quick little, you know what I'm saying? Quick little TT for you guys. I'm telling you, I'm not an expert at this. I'm just learning each and every day, and I like to share it with the family. Let's get into some of these comments. It's time to stop putting money on stupid coins and think about how the world is getting worse, and put money in real crypto that be. Well, Michael, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? So everybody's situation is different, Michael. You can't expect everybody to be like, I want to hold for 7 years to 2030. I'm seeing some people talking about, oh, this crypto going to this in 2030. Everybody's situation is different. You can't expect people to be like, to hold to 2030 like you. That might be your strategy. Everybody's strategy is different. Sharby is one of the ones I've been looking at. I heard of that one. Gives rewards in ETH. DSO is a very good for the future. I mean, there's a lot of decentralized social cryptocurrency projects out there. PEPE looks like the biggest rug. I would agree. I'm not really interested in PEPE though. If you've been listening to the live stream, I have no interest in PEPE. I don't even own any PEPE. I'm literally making money off the narrative. Man, you guys kill me sometimes, man. It's like y'all don't understand that y'all don't understand that it's always moves to be made. You can have 2 different wallets. You can have an exchange wallet. You can have a wallet with your trust wallet. You can have a MetaMask wallet. Doesn't mean you got to hold every cryptocurrency until you turn 75 fucking years old. Like, get that through y'all head, bruh. Get that through y'all head. Y'all gonna hold cryptocurrencies. I guarantee you most of the ones that y'all holding on, it's not going to run in the next bull cycle, because you're not understanding narratives. You're not understanding open interest. You're just seeing something shiny in your favorite YouTuber, throw it down your throat every single day, but not giving you true value on why they personally hold these cryptocurrencies. That's why so many people is going to get caught holding the Terra Luna Classic bag. I'm sorry to say that, but it is what it is. I don't know enough about DASO coin operated. I would have to do more research on it. It's part of the N ecosystem. Loving the stream, bro. Your energy is contagious. Appreciate it, coin. Yes, sir. We love it. It looks like the stock RSI reset for OXT. Yeah, OXT is still near the macro low. So I'm interested into projects that's near the macro lows. I just crypto meow haven't seen the open interest from that. I want to see how well it performed in the crypto winter. I want to know that institutions, I want to know that retail, I want to know that whales are interested in the cryptocurrency token. I don't want to hold no dead bag. Bless up. I got 70,000 Crow. I'm holding to $1 and put it on a house, baby. Let's go. Bless up, John. You already know, man. Crow going to $1. Crow is going to $1. Crow is going to $1. Crow's going to $1. Jasmine is going to $1. Hedera is going to $1. I just literally dropped a video for you guys on the 3 safest plays. So don't get on this stream acting like I just be on this super DJ shit, because you got to go to the Patreon for that. I just dropped a video a few hours ago giving y'all a strategy with 3 cryptocurrency blue chips that will hit $1. Easy plays, family. Easiest plays. Hedera, Jasmine, and Crow. That's like the easiest. It's going to $1 plays in the fucking world. The easiest plays. Easiest. Hedera, Crow, and Jasmine. If you scared, go to church, all right? Scared money don't make no money. If you scared, go to church. If you scared, buy blue chips that got $1 billion portfolios and get your 10x and call it a day. Get your 10x and call it a day if you scared. It's okay, man. It's okay. If nobody's judging you, I don't judge you. I got Hedera, Jasmine, Crow. Easy plays. Not a lot of volatility. A lot of open interest. Institutions love them. Regulated ready. Compliant ready. Easy money. You don't have to be a DJ to make money in cryptocurrency. You can have patience and just hold good cryptocurrency projects. That's facts. That's facts. Traveler Jasmine, loving Jasmine. You already know, man. Jasmine. LOL. Yeah. Scared go to church. Yeah, man. If you scared go to church, John 3:16, baby. If you scared go to church, what are we here for? Are we here to make developers rich? Are you here to be a person to say, oh, I'm holding this cryptocurrency and yeah, and a developer riding around in a freaking Lambo when you just watch somebody put $25 into a crypto and make $2 fucking million? What are you here for? What are you here for? What are you here for? I know why I'm here. I'm here to create a legacy for my family. I'm here to break the poverty chain for my family. I don't got time for the naysayer. I don't care about, oh man, you should only buy dog tokens. PEPE. Nah, fuck you, dude. I'm buying what I want to buy. I'm trying to make bags, bro. I'm not in here trying to be popular. What the freak wrong with y'all, man? Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. My boys won today. Shout out to my boy Steph Curry, the GOAT, baby. Our boys won today. All right, we lit, man. We is lit on a Sunday. We lit on a Sunday. Preach it, bro. Appreciate you, man. Jasmine in the house. Y'all already know. I told y'all, easy. If you want the 3 tokens right now that I feel like easily can go to $1, Jasmine, Crow, Hedera. Just keep it simple. You don't got to do what I do. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Go to work. Do your everyday life. And gradually DCA into good blue chip projects. That's the simple way. You still gonna make 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. You might not make the headline. You might be the person to be like, oh, I turned $50 into 3 million. Don't matter. You turn 6,000 into 200K. That's still a bag. That's still a legendary bag. That's still life-changing money. That's gonna give you an opportunity to do what you want to do in life, right? So even if you playing with 10 grand and you want to buy all blue chips, there is still a bag to be made. And I'm gonna be frankly honest with you guys. That's the easiest bag. You don't got to worry about getting rugged. You don't got to worry about heavy volatility. All you got to do is go to work and gradually DCA over time. Easy strategy. Simple. Very simple. Very simple strategy. Very simple strategy. Very simple. People make cryptocurrency too hard, bruh. We make it too hard. If your cryptocurrency is not going up, sell it. It's okay. Life goes on. Like I don't understand, bro. Like life goes on. Like you don't have to sit here and hold stuff until you turn into a skeleton and then be sitting there mad at everybody else because they making money. You made that decision to be a maxi to whatever cryptocurrency you want to be a maxi to. Nobody forced you to be a maxi. You chose to be a maxi. I'm not a maxi. I'm an opportunist. It's a difference. You could be a maxi to Bitcoin because I know Bitcoin ain't going nowhere. I'll be a maxi to Ethereum because I know Ethereum ain't going nowhere. I'm not going to be a maxi to a meme coin. What the? Who came up with that idea to be a maxi to a meme coin? Like, what the, it's like the worst idea I ever heard, man. Let's be honest with you guys. Appreciate that, John. Appreciate that. All right, let's get into some cryptocurrencies, man. Y'all know I get to preaching on this joint. So I'm not covering really any macro environment stuff today. Y'all know I usually come with the whole, project, teacher, value, but I just want to chill today. This is a chill stream. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can pretty much shill whatever you want to shill. I'll check it out. Utility or memes, doesn't matter. But I'm just chilling on a Sunday, man. My boys won today. Shout out to my boy Curry. You know what I'm saying? I'm making money on my memes. My blue chips is holding strong. I'm good. I want everybody to be good. You feel me? We don't gotta fight in cryptocurrency. We don't have to be tribalistic. It's some bag out here for everybody. You just gotta be willing to go get your bag. It is what it is. Shout out to y'all, man. Salute to y'all, man. I love it. XRP Army. The poor sell the dip, the rich buy the dip, the wealthy buy a lot, and the wealthy stay wealthy, and the poor stay poor. That's how I go. All right, so let me give you an idea of my TNA. All right, so it just depends on what time frame we trading on, y'all. Okay, so let me I don't really want to do a meme coin, but I guess I'll do a meme coin. For instance, all right, check this out. Triple top 1, 2, 3. 30-minute chart, right? Extremely bearish. We got a triple top. If I see that, extremely bearish, right? Triple top. I like to use indicators like the 50-day and the 200-day moving average on the daily, and usually any time frame. If you got a project that's above the 200-day and 50-day moving average, regardless of what time frame, usually that is bullish. If we're talking about meme coins, I also like to use the law of meme coins, which is give y'all all right, let's see. Right here. I don't know why that's still like that. Law of meme coins. Also, shout out to my boy B Root. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Usually after 7 days with these meme coins, they sell off, right? But two things can either happen. You can get front run where they sell off on the 6th day, or you can get faked out like this project did, where it continues to pump maybe for 7 to 14 days. So it just depends on if it's a new cryptocurrency or if it's an old cryptocurrency. If it's something that's been around a while, let's do Bitcoin, because I know Bitcoin been around a while. That's what I like to use on Bitcoin, right? For Bitcoin, I like to trade. I like to use the daily or the weekly, because I need to know what's going on in the entire cryptocurrency space, right? Right. So what I would do on the daily is I would draw a local fib from the bottom to the top. All right, just to see where we at. You can see that we're still above the 236. Anything above 0.5 to me is still bullish. So as long as we're above 23,695 on the daily, technically that's still bullish. Next, I want to check out the moving averages, right? I want to check out the 50-day and the 200-day. So I go to settings. All right. Swing over to 50. Bam. Then I go over here to the indicators. I drop another one. All right. All right, we're going to go here. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to 200. All right. Now, Bitcoin is still bullish. It's above the 50-day. It's above the 200-day on the daily chart. So technically we are still bullish on Bitcoin. I know a lot of people getting freaked out by this correction, because it's nothing but a correction. Like, everybody think everything's supposed to just go straight up. It's not going to go straight up. You can see here that Bitcoin is clearly on a uptrend. So this is bullish as long as we are above the 50-day and the 200-day. Now, the thing about it is, when you get these crosses here, which is, let me see which one is lighter. All right, so right here we got the 50-day crossing over. What's this, the blue? Can't really tell the difference because of the light. Hold on, I gotta change the color to this shit. It's too fucking close of a color. Visibility, style, there we go. All right, that makes it a little bit more easier for me. All right, so yeah, that's the 200-day. The 200-day crossed over the 50-day. So usually and I gotta look this up because sometimes I get this wrong. When the 200-day cross over the 50-day, either one of them is a bullish cross, one of them is a bearish cross. I gotta look it up to actually give y'all the exact information. But you can kind of like tell what's going on in cryptocurrency when you look at these charts. Normally, anything over the 50-day and 200-day is considered bullish, right? Right now, we're getting a little pullback to 27.49, right? Next, what I want to do is I want to check out the RSI. I want to make sure that we're resetting, or we're close to resetting if we're oversold or overbought. You can see here the relative strength indicator, right? Kind of like neutral. So we're in no man's land, kind of like I would call it an accumulation, right? Next, I want to check out the stock RSI. And to be honest with you guys, I use stock RSI more than I use the regular one. It's been more effective and more efficient for me. Bam, just what I was looking for. So you can see here, and it's very, very simple. Every time the stock RSI resets, right? Resets, what happens? Bitcoin goes back up, right? So it's kind of clear what's going on right here. Let me actually, I don't gotta draw them damn squiggly lines either. You feel me? I just keep it keep it simple, man. That's all you gotta do is keep it simple. You can see right here, reset, 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 pump, reset, pump, reset, pump, reset, pump. Now it's resetting. The correction is over, and soon Bitcoin will pump back up. So again, it's very, very simple, and you can make you can make good little money just trading the stock RSI. Very simple, very, very simple. Just trading the resets on the daily, man. You could do this for the 1 hour chart. If you're a super degen, you could do this for 30-minute, 15-minute. You could do this for the 4 hour chart. But every time the stock RSI resets, we see a move to the upside, right? Once the sell-off commences. So it's a very, very, very simple strategy where you can make easy money. I mean, it doesn't always happen like this, but for the most part, it happens like this, all right? Especially when Bitcoin is bullish, which is right now when you see it's over the 200-day and the 50-day moving average. Usually, historically, when Bitcoin is over the 200-day and 50-day moving average, that's confirmation that we are bullish. Okay, so if you're not into like stock RSI and stuff like that, another one you can use is the MACD. You can check divergences. You can see right here. So what you want to see is you want to see this blue line crossing over the orange line. So we haven't truly got the reversal. So maybe we go down a little bit more. Maybe we go down to 25 to 382. I don't know. But until we see, right? Until we see this blue line cross over this orange line and you start to see that strength right there, that's how you know that we're confirmed bullish and could be in continuing the uptrend. Okay, so you want to pay attention to the MACD. Right now the MACD is still bearish, right? So we still could see a little bit moves to the downside, and as the stock RSI hangs around, right, hangs around down there, those are the best times to add to your bag. When you see the MACD red, those are the best times to add to your bag. Even though we get bullish when we see this green strength right here from the MACD, that's not necessarily the best time to add to your bag. The best times to add to your bag is when the MACD is red and when you see the stock RSI all the way at the bottom. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. You will see things rebound. What goes down must rebound, and you know how it goes. You know how it goes. What's another one I like to use? It's another indicator. You can kind of like use these however you want to use them. I know the DMI is another one that a lot of people use. DMI, directional movement index. All right. So you can see here. I would have, I'm not even gonna get into explaining that. That might be a little bit too much for y'all. I'm gonna just keep it simple. So RSI, I use the RSI, I use the MACD, I use the 50-day and the 200-day moving average, and that's pretty much how I make my trades. Okay, I use a couple more technicals and indicators, but I'm not gonna go into them and go over them because then it can get a little bit more, harder for me to explain. I'm still learning the lingo for all this shit. You feel me? It's just a lot. I learn stuff each and every day. But this is pretty much how I make my trades on the daily, on the hour, on the weekly, whatever. You feel me? Those are pretty much my go-to. So RSI, stock RSI, 50-day, 200-day moving average, and MACD. Those are my go-tos. And as you can see, I also like to use the Fibonacci. Those are my that's pretty much my setup. Okay, everybody's setup is different. I'm still learning along the way. I am not a freaking expert. Don't come ask me about TNA expertise. I'm not that guy, but I know it, you know, I know a little bit, you know, and I'm learning along the way. So that's pretty much what I use to make my trades, but everybody is different. It was easier for me to explain this from Bitcoin because Bitcoin's been around a little bit longer, so I can make, you know, saying I can make a little bit better judgment instead of meme coins, because with meme coins is like a one person could take out 100,000 and then the shit just go to zero. One person can put in 100,000 and then you see it pump. So it's harder to use technical analysis on meme coins. It does work, but it's a lot more harder and a lot more risky. Jazz, you already know what's up with, man. I just did a video on Dion Protocol, man. They just dropped this tweet, right? And I don't want to call it a partnership with SpaceX, but this thing is pumping. Go check out the video. I did a full reveal on Dion Protocol here, right? And these guys did right here. So they got something going on with Starlink. I'm not going to get into it. I made a full video on it. Go check it out. But these guys are the first blockchain that's powered by the sun. That's the best way I can say it. Dion Protocol is the first blockchain powered by the sun and Starlink technology. So this is next level. This project is next level, right? And I like Dion Protocol because not only does it have a legit utility, it's a one-in-one crypto. You want one-in-one crypto, one-in-one niches where everybody ain't copying your shit, right? They also have circulating supply that's 100% in circulation, so they care about the community. This right here shows me that they care about the investors. They don't want the investors to get dumped on. They really want to see people get gains. I love projects that care about the investors, man, and Dion Protocol seems like one of those projects. I told y'all in the video full review that I made, it's giving me Polygon vibes, man. It's giving me Polygon vibes. Polygon also has 10 billion max tokens and was able to reach $3. All right, so to put that into perspective, let's go into coin perspective. All right, and the protocol Polygon-matic. All right, so if Dion Protocol was able to hit Polygon-matic's market cap, that would be a 228x. Dion Protocol would be sitting at 97 cents. The fact that Dion Protocol has a 10 billion max supply, I'm pretty confident if this project receives the open interest, institutional interest, and whale interest, that it can easily hit 97 cents. I mean, they're doing big things with SpaceX. That's legit. That's legit, man. Everybody's talking about Dion Protocol right now. It's giving me Polygon vibes. Bitcoin breaking down. It's already 10x. Damn. She said it's already 10x. Ooh, you already know, Mr. Tank. Did I miss some Dogalon Mars news? What's the news? Please tell me. Oh, okay, we do got some news. I apologize. I apologize. Because he said, did I miss some? I don't just talk about Dogalon Mars, bro. You got to find those influencers that only talk about Dogalon Mars, man. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. You know what I'm saying? I am not that guy. All right, so shout out to my girl, Ash Bandicoot. Ash, you know I love you, girl. You know I love you, girl. Ooh, I love Ash. Look at Ash. Yeah, I love Ash. Okay, all right. It's time to level up. Okay, so yeah, it's happy birthday to Dogalon Mars. So there was Dogalon Mars' birthday. Okay, so that's the news. Dogalon Mars' birthday. That's the news. That's the news I got for y'all, man. Other than that, ain't no news. Ain't no news. Hold up, Ash. You invested into WagMe? Well, why you ain't got Elon up here, but you got WagMe? What? Okay. Let me find out you know about WagMe, Ash. Let me find out you know about WagMe. You are as good. Shout out to my boy Rodney. What gaming cryptos y'all buying? Y'all buying Gala Games, Gala Films, and what else? Ooh, look at my Whales Club, baby. We turning up. Shout out to Whales Club. Let's get some more of these comments. Crypto Meow says Methuselah Foundation. They're not selling their coins, okay? They're actually rolling out a utility. They dropped a liquidity pool worth $1 million, and they're building out an ecosystem for Elon. So despite what people saying, they are not selling their coins, okay? Let's get that understood. Methuselah is not selling their coins. What do you think about Samo? I don't want no Solana meme coins. I'm not interested in Solana meme coins. Jazz, I just talked about Dion. No, I was joking. You said who came up with that? I said the XRP. Yeah, they've been holding it for how many years? Yeah, a lot. Dogelon Mars keeps pumping and dumping. What's up with y'all? I mean, honestly, man, what y'all expect for you, Dogelon Mars? Like, let's get honest. Let's get brutally honest here. You know, I'm feeling some type of way, right? I'm feeling some type of way. Right? Ooh, we almost near them. We almost near the macro lows, baby. We almost near the macro lows. That's what I see. What, 6022? Ooh, we close. If it go down, then I'll buy some more. I haven't bought Elon in so long, y'all. I have not bought Elon token in so long. Why would I keep buying a token and the developer's not giving me nothing? Why would I keep doing that? Why would anybody keep doing that? Y'all gotta start holding these guys accountable, man. I love the community, all right? I rock with Methuselah a little bit. You know, I'll rock with him even more if they came and did an AMA with your boy, but they haven't. I'm extremely disappointed. So it did go from 603. So we had a nice little run in the bull cycle. You know, we went all the way up to 605. It's looking ugly, man. It's looking ugly, but for opportunists like me, it's looking good. Sell some more. Because to be honest with y'all, Elon was one of the only meme coins that didn't retest the macro lows. So maybe it's time. Maybe it's time we retest the macro lows. The hype is kind of dying down because there's really nothing to talk about. We're getting literally crushed by other memes when it comes to volume. Crushed, yo. Crushed. We go down to memes. I mean, look at this, man. ARB, Doge, AI. We're talking, look at the volume. 65 million, 64 million. There is literally 22 million. Wrecked, 19 million. All these, Wojak. We're literally getting crushed. I covered Tomadog. Shout out to Tomadog for the sponsorship, man. I'm rocking with y'all, man. Y'all really rock with your boy Millie. We getting crushed, y'all. We're getting crushed from a volume aspect. Not cool. And that's what I'm saying. Why did the developers sit around and let this happen, man? If I was the developer of a cryptocurrency, I wouldn't let this happen. But I'm not the developer, so I can't tell y'all. But this is it's ugly, man. The volume is extremely low compared to some of the biggest meme coins, and not even the biggest ones, the most popular ones. Look at this. Out of nowhere, we're seeing Wojak, Wrecked, AI Doge. I mean, these boys getting big volume. This is the volume Elon's supposed to be getting, but why are we not getting this type of volume? Y'all let me know, man. I don't got the answers. I don't got the answers. like Kanye say, I don't got the answers. You know what I mean? Crypto Meow said, if I had 10K, would I buy OXT or Elon? I would probably buy Elon. I definitely wouldn't buy OXT from what I just seen. It does, the open interest just isn't there. I would probably buy Elon. Gamer Dad, what do you do, man? What's up with you, Gamer? Are you good, bro? How you feeling, bro? That's my guy, man. Salute the Gamer Dad. It's good to see some of the moderators in here. Love y'all for being here. It's already 10x'd. I mean, what y'all think? What y'all think about Elon, man? Are y'all bullish? Are y'all bearish? What do y'all think? What do y'all think about Elon and what's going on with Elon? I don't got the answers. I don't know what they're doing, man. I don't know how you could just sit on your ass, bruh, while all of this is happening in the cryptocurrency space. When you got such a beautiful project, you got such a beautiful community. You got the Methuselah Foundation ushering in the off-chain utility. I don't get it, y'all. I'm out of answers for Elon. If y'all see me, if y'all see me like not doing as much Elon content, that's why. That's why, man. That's why. I don't got nothing to talk about. There's nothing to talk about right now. Look, let me tell y'all something right here, man. Let me show y'all something. There's nothing to talk about till There's nothing to talk about till 9 days, right? When we get another rate hike. 89% chance of a rate hike. There's nothing to talk about until we get this to the FOMC in 9 days, right? Nothing to talk about. The tether dominance is at 7. The tether dominance is at 7%. It's nothing to talk about until the tether dominance is right here where this big ass yellow arrow is, right around 3 to 4%. We have nothing to talk about until the tether dominance comes down to 3-4%. We have nothing to talk about. Okay, it's nothing to talk about. It's nothing to talk about until we stop getting federal rate hikes. It's nothing to talk about. There's nothing to talk about. I'm sorry to tell y'all this, man. There's nothing to talk about until the DXY goes down to below 100. Until we crack 100 on the DXY, it's absolutely nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about. Look, I got it all. I got it all played out, man. I'm sitting here waiting, just like y'all. We in the waiting room. We in the waiting room waiting for the doctor to come tell us what the results are. You feel me? We in the waiting room right now. It's nothing to talk about until the DXY comes below 100. It's nothing to talk about until the tether dominance comes to 4 to 3, anywhere between 3 to 4%. All right? It's nothing to talk about. There's nothing to talk about till we stop getting these damn rate hikes. It's nothing to talk about, man. You know, this is why people are running to meme coins, because people are ready to make money in crypto, and nobody's making money in cryptocurrency right now. I don't care what anybody say, unless you that guy that put $25 and turned it to $2 million. Really, nobody's making money in cryptocurrency right now. You know, this is why everybody is going crazy and losing their minds. They running around like zombies. Everybody trying to find the next 100x, 1000x meme coin, because people are, it's like civil unrest right now with cryptocurrency. People can't take it no more. They pulling out their hair like, oh my God, I've been holding this cryptocurrency, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, you heard the cryptocurrency like myself, and you want to just enjoy your money. I got money in cryptocurrency, and my girl be like, yo, I'll be like, you know what? I'm ready to enjoy my money, man. You know, I can't enjoy my money because I'm in the waiting game. It's nothing to talk about until the freaking halving cycle. I'm sorry to tell y'all. It's nothing to talk about until the halving cycle. So, until then, DCA. That's the only thing I can tell you. DCA. DCA. Or you could keep fighting the Fed. And what happens when you fight the Fed? You get wrecked. I've been fighting the Fed for how long? Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all something, bro. Let me show y'all something, man. Let me show y'all something on the DXY, right? Let me show y'all something. I've been fighting the Fed since way up here, right? DCA, and this is when I was like a chicken cutting off my head, listening to people until I started learning my own technical analysis. DCA and thinking like, oh, we topped out. DCA and oh, it's DCA and DCA and DCA and DCA and DCA. It's nothing to talk about. Just DCA. You know? DCA. Now I will say this, we got a lot of crypto adoption going on. I'll give y'all that. We got a lot of crypto adoption going on. All right. We got a lot of crypto adoption going on, like people dropping cars, all this type of stuff. Shows your boy's history of shilling crypto scams was brought to light this week by One Crypto. What? Come on, man. Nothing to talk about right now. Do Kwon jailed, crypto CEO rejects SEC fraud allegations. Do Kwon says SEC is out of bounds in pursuing crypto fraud suite. Crypto scammers use AI to create fake CEO, regulars say. Oh my God, bro. What type of news is this, man? What am I looking at? Y'all, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know when crypto's going back up, man. Only thing I can tell you is DCA. Enjoy the show and find you some good cryptocurrency projects that have high open interest that you know is going to pump in the next bull cycle. That's all I can tell you guys, man. BRICS new development bank now offers loan in local currencies instead of US dollars. They not screwing with the states. Zimbabwe create new digital currency backed by gold. The world is going crazy right now, bro. I don't know what to tell y'all. This is bullish. Google was against cryptocurrency. Now they're all for cryptocurrency. So that's bullish. And also we need to see Coinbase over 80 bucks too. That's another thing. We got to see Coinbase over 80 bucks. If Coinbase going to continue to go lower, that's also bearish, right? That's bearish too. Coinbase going lower is bearish. Let's check coin. Coinbase going lower is also bearish. Yeah, Coinbase is Coinbase. Coin is bearish. Coin under 80 bucks is also bearish. All this shit is bearish, man. All this is bearish, y'all. So I don't know what to tell you. Only thing we could do is chill until Bitcoin and Ethereum come back around. Everything's still dipping and correcting. This might be 2019, y'all. This might have just been a nice little relief rally. And we going back down to 20K. We might be going back down to 20K, man. We might be going back down to 20K. Take some more comments. Which coin do you think has more potential? More potential? If you had OXT probably has more potential because it has a utility. I don't know about Elon. Elon has a so-called utility, but we got to see it. Tectonic is holding strong. When the next bull market comes, everyone will be talking about crypto. Yeah, you got to understand, man. We only 4% of people in crypto and stuff. Said gets. Screw you, crypto and stuff. I'm gonna get some sleep when I die, buddy. Is Elon high interest? No, it's not. Elon, no, there's not a lot of open interest in Elon. I just showed you crypto. Did you see the volume? The volume just isn't there. Need for Speed sees Tectonic. Let's check out Tectonic. I know Tectonic has been holding pretty strong. Tectonic gonna make me feel a little bit more better, y'all. After looking at all that stuff that I just looked at, we is bearish. Tectonic has been holding strong. Salute to Tectonic, man. Now look at Tech. We go to one, but let's go to 7 days. All right, so yeah, Tectonic been doing good the last 7 days. I like to read these comments sometimes on the side. To the moon, Millie. Hold your XRP. No, I don't hold any XRP. Collective consciousness. To the moon, Millie. Crypto and stuff. Hold your XRP. DCA. You already know. What is the data you looking at on Coinalyze? Right here. I'm looking at the open interest. See, this is, you see? I'm looking at this right here. It's the cryptocurrency futures market data, open interest, funding rate, and liquidation. So this pretty much gives you an idea of if people are interested in the cryptocurrency that you're buying, right? All right, so how I use this is I like to see, okay, so I'll look at this for 7 days in a row. If I see a crypto like Mask Network, it's always in the open interest. It's not in it right now, but Mask Network is one of those projects that's always in open interest. Rocket Pool is one of those projects that's always in open interest. But right now we're seeing a lot of different cryptocurrencies that I normally wouldn't see there. Ooh, Dust Network, man, that's one of my babies. Y'all know now about Dust Network. Exactly. You gotta be one of the people that's been part of the channel for a while to know about Dust Network, because that's one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. But open interest is just giving you an idea of if people are actually interested in the cryptocurrency that you're actually buying. So a lot of people seem to be interested in OG fan token right now. All right, so let's go to OG fan token, give you an example. And you can see it's up 10% on a day. You see how that works? OG fan token up 10% on the day. All right. Now, you see this right here? Bella Protocol. The open interest jumped up 178%. And you can see open interest. This thing jumps. This thing jumped from 67 cents to 81 cents. So that's how you pretty much use the open interest right there. I like to swing over here and see what's the most popular project. So a lot of people right now are interested in the Internet of Things. Metal, I never heard of that cryptocurrency. High Street has a lot of open interest. Audius has a lot of open interest. I've been seeing this. This actually has been one of the ones that's been trending. A lot of people. What's going on with Audius? I haven't covered Audius in a while. It's like a music token, but a lot of people have been interested in the last week in Audius. And of course, man, one of my favorites down here, Casper. Man, if you don't know what Casper is, I don't know. You must have been living under a rock. Polygon Matic. So this little bar, the open interest bar right here, is just giving you an idea of which has the most interest right now as far as cryptocurrencies. Most of them is top cryptocurrencies, okay? No super degens shit. These are cryptocurrencies that plan on being around here for a long time. Jasmine will melt faces, man. Come on, man. Jasmine is going to $1 easily. 1,000x on most cryptos under a cent. Yeah, crypto stuff. Yeah, man. People don't understand that that's a psychological number. When it comes to those cryptocurrencies that's under a penny, that's like a psychological number. Jasmine, well, I really like Vote, but that's 26%. Yeah, that is crazy. I never knew that. Buy some Lunk. Hell no. Why would I buy Lunk? I'll just keep my Lunk moon bag, man. I ain't check out Lunk. Why would I buy Lunk? I'm buying some Blaze coin because my boy Crypto King dropping his own cryptocurrency called Blaze coin. I'm buying some Blaze coin. I'll buy some. No, I'm gonna be honest with you. I do have a Lunk bag, but I'll add to my Lunk bag if this thing drops a 0. I want to see it just drop a 0. Just drop. Hurry up and drop the 0, please. Just go down further. Go down further, please. I like Lunk because it's a very popular cryptocurrency, right? It has like a lot of popularity. Just go down further. I'll grab this thing if it gets to 4.0. Yeah, I'll grab some Lunk then. I'm not grabbing it right now. I'm not interested. I got a moon bag. I made lots of profit when Lunk went to like what 2.0, 3.05, some weird shit. I went, we made some money. Where was it? Oh, you can't even look at the Lunk charts because it's a freaking rug pull, right? Yeah, can't even look at this shit, man. So ugly. Why do people still think Lunk is gonna be that token, bro? I don't know why. Not interested in Lunk. Sorry. Hit the thumbs up. You already know. Ghetto ties. I asked early in the week, but what's up with Samo? Why do y'all like Samo so much? I see a lot of people talking about Samo. Is that like the Solano dog coin? 77% of the token circulating supply is out. I like that. Not much inflation or dilution. I like that. $14 million market cap. Not bad. Look at this shit, man. This is the SBF coin. $0.21. Hey, I'll tell you what. This cryptocurrency right here is very, very close to its lows, I believe, for the year. Yes, it is. It's very, very close. Let me see what it did for the last 3. It didn't do shit for the last 3 months. So again, not a lot of open interest. Yeah, if this thing pump, you gonna make a lot of money, man. I mean, look at this. It's literally dead. So if it ever comes back to life and it does something like this, I mean, you gonna be rich. You gotta ask yourself, what's the chances of it doing this? That's the thing. Samo looks so dead, but I would buy it. I would buy it. I'll put $100 in it. I wouldn't put a lot of money in it. I'll put anywhere from 50 to $100. That's it. You know, if this thing goes back up, right? What y'all think? All right, if it go back up to what? See, that's almost a 400x, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you see, I put that little $100. All right, I don't mind turning $100 to 40 grand. I mean, if this thing goes up to it probably won't even go to $6 billion market cap. But hey, if it reaches Shiba high, you know, $100 to 40,000, that's not bad gains right there. I'll put $100 in that joint. If this thing reaches all-time highs again, you know what I'm saying, maybe. You know what I'm saying? $100 into 40K. It's easy, that, you know. I'm not really interested in Samo coin, man. I'm very picky with my meme coins. That's just not something that I'm interested in. I asked earlier, no disrespect, I still hold some Lucas shit. No disrespect, I still got my moon bag, Nate. PEPE seems scammy. Kingdom is one I'm bullish on. Active dev. Kingdom. My boy ELON and B Roots. Favorite. Which one is it? Kingdom, KDG. Which one is it? Here we go. Kingdom, 217,000. Oh my God. Oh. B Roots and them dumped Kingdom. What's going on with Kingdom? Not bad. Lots of zeros. I like that. But you see this volume here? Red flag. Right here. 4,000 in volume on a fully diluted market cap. That's 218,000. That's terrible. The volume is terrible. And nobody's buying this right now, man. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. When you see projects with such a low volume like this, come on, man. No markets. They got to get on some markets. But you get in early right now and this thing start getting listed, you know, big Kingdom millionaire. But the volume got to come up, man. The volume is literally detrimental right now with Kingdom. Like nobody's buying this shit right now, man. I'm just be honest with you. Show KT. What's going on, KT? Hold on, let me get to KT. He said, what a shit show. KT, why you gotta be a hater, bro? What's up with you? Who is KT? Who is this guy? Thank you, moderators. Thank you, moderators, for handling the what's the goddamn Chads in the building. I don't even know who KT is. Kingdom is one on bullish on active dev. Gods? What is that? He said, am I bullish on gods? Gods Unchained? I used to have this token on crypto.com a while back. I don't really have no comment on gods. I mean, it's one of the, isn't this like a card game or something like that? Yeah. It'll probably do well. It'll do well. It's listed on crypto.com. It'll do well. It'll do well in the next bull cycle. You just have to wait for a while. You just got to wait for a while. I think a lot of people play Gods Unchained. A lot of people play Vulcan Forward. So, you know, gaming tokens like that are literally going to do well. You know, you got Fear, you got Gala, you got Hello, Vulcan Forge. I said that. What else? I was like Altura, Katana, Katu. What's another one? So many gaming tokens out there. What a shit show. KT, what are you talking about, man? What are you talking about, KT? Are you, is that a Vote Dragon? Okay, it must be a Vote guy. I know Vote guys don't like PEPE. I don't know what's up with you Vote people, man. I rock with y'all. I love Vote, man. But at the end of the day, why y'all mad at PEPE? That shit is childish. So what y'all think will happen with this Vote Inu situation, man? Do y'all think this guy really lost his cryptocurrency, or do you think like he just was a dev and he sold off, man? What's y'all honest opinion? That's the last thing I'm gonna talk to y'all before I end the live, man, because I don't know what this guy is on. KT Prime is a new coin. It's a card game. It was listed on Coinbase. I never heard of Prime. I'm streaming right now. Alright, so I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. This was a little quick meme coin show. I had to come talk to the family, man. Check out the links in the description. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Check out this last game, man. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all before I go, man. This is what we waiting on, right? I'm gonna say it one more time. We got the FOMC. Right, we got the FOMC meeting. Right, we got one more rate hike. Hopefully they pause after that. Right, we need the tether dominance to come down anywhere between 4% 3%. Right, we need the DXY to come down below 100. Right, we need all that to happen. We need the perfect storm. Right, we need Bitcoin to pump back over 32K. Right, we need Ethereum to get over 2,500. And I think if all of those things happen, I know it sounds like a lot, but all those things can happen at one time. If all of those things happen, family, you know, we probably can get, you know, at least get some type of relief rally headed into the halving cycle. Okay, not gonna call it a bull run, just gonna say a relief rally. All right, but yeah. Meme coin community, stop arguing with each other. We don't need that in cryptocurrency. PEPE ain't going nowhere. Vote ain't going nowhere. ELON ain't going nowhere. We all here to stay. It's enough bags for everybody. And let's just enjoy the space together, all right? So I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man, about the videos. I'm going to drop some more videos. Join the Patreon. Do what you do. Become a member. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. Don't care. I just like talking to people, and man, I like to do